certificate distribution ceremony ai jab tare sigi thorom si am ten tekni amna magul leiba aduga tungi asa yamna purakadaba aduma screenplay writing gi yam ten ba course ama Manipur State Film Film and Television Institute na simbi ba hadaki asi yamna maru ba aduga yamna initiative lobi ba aduga koi nauna director wi ba Alexander na simbi dranga si tongan ba filmmakers sing artists sing mayam pulap maximum ayam ba yaw bi dnang si to wi si yam thina koi da ngai jaba yam penje koi tongi amukta chobo chamani aduga loina na si koi gi
group photo gi ready le yon
sigi course sigi damakta especially professors Samal Sengupta, I really appreciate you to conduct and to do the needfuls for screenplay writing course. Thank you very much, Professor Samal Gupta, Sengupta. Aduga loinana koigi sigi engsin biriba observer wina phambiriba film bu yamna lokat pidna aduga horeiba koi na singbu sogot pidna sinbiriba mayam mi masing yamjidagasu aikoi sida yamna kari haitare quality leba film puthongna bo honabada maduda film maduge singwa magul utkadol bisu sagi kari hai screenplay writer asu yam achauba magi wari dugi marik sumba ka nom leitragadi mi amni sei sasu mayek thi aduga kanago amna film kumagasu magi screenplay do dum darkar level sisu yam marhoiba ama nahi aduna mayam punam sogot pidna tungda na onova course kya koye ms ATI na paikhalakpa aduga ms ABS na paikhalakpa khuding makta mayam na sogot pidna di naung khalba naha sing mayam asibu film gi idea da mayak sengba aikoi india da natna abroad ta aikoina puthokpada matik saba artist matik saba aikoi film maker oibiba playwright ki asengba playwright yamu puthokpiratna phoba cinema puthokpina hona bigani hai biga sa thamas fight danger. Thank you.